Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the inductive coupling in series and parallel. That means the two inductors that are connected in series means what is the equivalent inductance of that thing, and similarly if the two inductance that are connected in parallel means and it is mutually coupled means so what is the equivalent inductance we are going to find out. So in the previous video we discussed the multi-winding circuit, that is more than two or three inductors are connected in some series manner means so how to calculate the equivalent inductance. Okay, so we discussed in the previous video. So that is also a very important and university 2-mark problem as well as the 8-mark problem. If you want to learn that video, I will give link in the description box, you can refer it. Okay, so now we will see our topic. So here we are considering the four cases. Okay, that is series aiding, series opposing, and parallel aiding, parallel opposing. Okay, so what does that mean? The first one, so when the two inductors having the self inductance L1 and L2, you just consider, okay, the two inductors, you know, the first inductor is having the self inductance value L1. Okay, so you see this diagram. Similarly, the second inductor is having the self inductance L2, and these two inductors are connected in series. Okay, and in that are coupled in series, and with the mutual inductance between the two inductors M. Okay, so the mutual inductance already you know when the two coils are placed very close together means there is a mutual inductance is induced in between the two coil. Already you know the concept. So that is indicated by the mutual inductance. So mutual inductance between the two coil is capital M. Okay. Then in the series connection, there are two type of series connection is possible. One is series aiding, another one is series opposing. Okay. Then similarly, when the two inductors L1 and L2 are coupled in parallel with the mutual inductance between the two coils M means in parallel connection also there are two different connection. One is parallel aiding, another one is parallel opposing. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about that four different types: series aiding, series opposing, parallel aiding, parallel opposing in a detailed manner. Okay. So this is a very important 2-mark question, and sometimes they may ask for 8-mark derivation. Okay, so first you see this is the series aiding. So this is a May 2017 question, 2-mark question. Okay, so they may define that is sometime they may ask what is mean by series aiding, or sometime they ask for 2-mark problem. Okay, related to this 2-mark problem they will ask. Okay, so now you see the connection. So here the two inductor L1 and L2 that are connected in series. Okay, and the self inductance of the first inductor is L1, and the self inductance of the second inductor it is L2, and the mutual inductance between these two coil it is indicated by M. Okay, and here you see the dot. Here both dots are okay. So you see the dot, first dot. This dot is available in the entering point of the coil 1. Okay, so here you see, so in series, there is a current I is flowing. Okay, the same I is flowing through L1 and L2 already you know. So here in the entering point of the current, the dot is placed. Similarly, in the second inductor also, in the entering point of the inductor L2, that dot is placed. So both dots are appearing in that entering point of the current direction. So this type of connection is called as series aiding. Okay. Then what is series opposing means? So in this case, also, this is also series opposing. That is the two inductors that are connected in series. Yes. But the dots you see here, one dot is placed in the entering point of the first coil. The second dot you see, the second dot is available in the leaving point of the inductor L2. Okay, so this type of connection we are calling it as a series opposing. Okay, so according to dot rule, if two dots are placed in the entering point, okay, same entering point of the current means the EMF produced by this mutually induced mutual inductance is added with the self-induced EMF. Okay, that is the thing. If the dots are different means the EMF induced by the mutual inductance is opposing the self-induced EMF. Okay, that is the case. So because of that one, we may get the L equivalent. Okay, the equivalent inductance value it will vary. Okay, so you see in this the two coils connected in series in such a way that the induced fluxes and voltages are additive in nature. Okay, so why the EMF is additive in nature? Okay, since this is two is connected in series as well as the dot. Okay, according to dot convention, the two dots are placed in the entering point of the inductor. So that's why the mutually induced EMF, that is the induced fluxes and self-induced EMF is in additive in nature. Okay, and so here, so you just apply KVL to this loop in order to find out the L equivalent. So you just apply KVL. So the apply voltage V. So V equal to, first one, what is the voltage across the inductor L1? L1 into di by dt. Okay, then what is the mutually induced EMF across this L1 because of L2? So this M into di by dt. Similarly, what is the self-induced EMF of the second inductor? It is a L2 into di by dt plus the mutual induced EMF is M into di by dt. Okay, so this is the KVL for this series circuit. So in this, you see all terms having di by dt as a common. Then you add the coefficient L1 plus M plus L2 plus M. So here M plus M, 2M. So we may write L1 plus L2 plus 2M into di by dt. Okay. So we may write this L1 plus L2 plus 2M as a L equivalent into di by dt. So the voltage equal to L equivalent into di by dt. So from that, the equivalent inductance of the two coils that are connected in series is L1 plus L2 plus 2M. Okay, so if the two coils are connected in series with aiding, okay, aiding connection, that is both dots are available in the entering point, means the equivalent inductance is calculated by L1 plus L2 plus 2M. Okay, this is the formula. So using this formula directly we can calculate the answer. Okay, for example, the problem, if the L1 value is given as some 1 millihenry and L2 value is given as 2 millihenry and the mutual inductance between the two is given as 0.5 millihenry, means the L equivalent is L1 plus L2 plus 2M. So 1 milli plus 2 milli plus 2 into 0.5 milli. Okay, so we can get the L equivalent value in a direct thing. Okay, so this is the first case. Then the second one, second case, series opposing. What is mean by series opposing? The two coil L1 and L2 are connected in series, but the dots are in different. That is, in first coil, the dot is available in the entering point. In the second coil, dot is available in the leaving point. Okay. So the mutual induced mutual inductance between the coil L1, L2, it is given as M. Okay. So because of according to the dot rule or dot convention, if the dots are one is in entering node, another one is in leaving node, means the mutually induced EMF oppose the self-induced EMF. Okay, so that's why. So at that case, so if you are writing KVL for this loop, we can write the apply voltage V equal to. So first one, what is the self-induced EMF of the first coil? L1 into di by dt. Okay, then according to this dot, what is the mutual induced EMF in L1 because of this L2? It is a minus M into di by dt. Why this minus means this negative? Okay, this negative indicates according to the dot convention. The dots are one is in entering point, another one dot is available in leaving point. That's why minus M into di by dt. Okay, then what is the self-induced EMF according to the second inductor? L2 into di by dt. Similarly, the mutual induced EMF, okay, in L2 because of L1 is minus M into di by dt. Okay, so this is the thing. So in previous case, series aiding, all are plus. Okay, the mutually induced EMF, self-induced EMF, all are in same plus plus. Okay, but here there is a mutual induced EMF got the opposition, so minus sign. Okay, so that's why. So you see, you just in this equation, so the di by dt is common, you take it outside. So L1 plus L2 plus minus 2M. Okay, so which is equal to which can be written as the voltage V can be written as L equivalent into di by dt. So from this equation, the equivalent inductance of the series opposing is L1 plus L2 minus 2M. Okay, this is the equivalent inductance if the two inductance are connected in the structure series opposing. Okay, for series aiding, L1 plus L2 plus twice the mutual inductance. Here L1 plus L2 minus 2M. Okay, this is the second case. And the third case, you see, it is a parallel aiding. Okay, parallel aiding means the two coil L1 and L2, you consider this circuit. Here the coil L1 and the coil L2 are connected in parallel, and the mutual inductance between these two coils is given as M. Okay, and here you see the dot. Here the dot is the first inductor dot is available here. The second inductor dot is appearing here. So here in both the case, that is the dot is available in the entering point of the coil L1 as well as the entering point of the coil L2. So this type of connection, it is called as a parallel aiding. Okay, when two inductors are connected in parallel aiding, then similar to the previous, okay, so if you are writing that is the KVL equation or KCL equation, so the equivalent inductance of this parallel aiding, okay, finally we derived the answer is L equivalent equal to L1 L2 minus M squared divided by L1 plus L2 minus 2M. Okay, this is the equivalent inductance when the two coils are connected in parallel aiding. Okay, similarly, you see the fourth case, it is a parallel opposing. Okay, so what does parallel opposing means? Here the two coil that are connected in parallel. So you see the diagram, this is L1, L2, and mutual inductance between these two coil is M. Okay, but you see the dot here, the first dot, okay, the in inductor L1, the dot is appearing in the entering point of the current, but in the second coil, the dot is available in the leaving point of the leaving end of the current direction. Okay, so that's why this connection is called as parallel opposing. Okay, so similarly, when two inductors are connected in parallel opposing, then the equivalent inductance value of such connection is given by L equivalent equal to L1 L2 minus M squared divided by L1 plus L2 plus 2M. This is the answer. So you just compare these two equation. Okay, if parallel means L1 L2 minus M squared. So numerator remains same in both case, L1 L2 minus M squared. Denominator, you see, if it is a parallel aiding, L1 plus L2 minus 2M. If it is a parallel opposing, L1 plus L2 plus 2M. Okay, this is the difference. So these are all the four different cases of the coils connected. Okay, if series aiding, okay, two coils are connected in series with both dots are appearing in the entering point means the L equivalent equal to L1 plus L2 plus 2M. Similarly, for series opposing, L1 plus L2 minus 2M. Similarly, for parallel aiding, L1 L2 minus M squared by L1 plus L2 minus 2M. Similarly, parallel opposing means L1 L2 minus M squared by L1 plus L2 plus 2M. Okay, so these are all the four different connections. Okay, and using this, we are going to solve the two important and university question. So you see a first question, if a coil of 800 microhenry is magnetically coupled to another coil of 200 microhenry. So one coil L1, the L1 value is 800 micro. Micro means 10 to the power minus 6. The second coil value is 200 microhenry. The coefficient of coupling, that is K. Coefficient of coupling between the two coils is 0.05. Calculate inductance if the two coils are connected in first thing series aiding, second one series opposing, third one parallel aiding and parallel opposing. Okay, so in this four type of connection, what is the L equivalent value they are asking? Okay, so first you note down the given data. So what is the given data? L1 equal to 800. Okay, 800 microhenry, and L2 equal to 200 microhenry. Coefficient of coupling K equal to 0.05. These are all the three given data. So first one, so in order to find out the L equivalent, so if it is a series aiding means what is the formula? In series aiding, the L equivalent is L1 plus L2 plus 2M. So here L1 given, L2 given, M mutual inductance is not given directly, but in order to calculate the mutual inductance, another one data given, coefficient of coupling. Okay, so already you know the relation between the coefficient of coupling, self inductance L1, L2 and mutual inductance. So already this relation we derived in the previous videos. Okay, so what is the formula? The mutual inductance between the two coil. The formula M is nothing but K into square root of L1, L2. Okay, so using this formula, first we have to find out the mutual inductance between the two coil. So M equal to K. What is K? K is 0.05 into square root of L1. What is L1? 800 micro. So 800 into 10 to the power minus 6. Then L2 is 200 micro. So 200 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay. So you just make calculation using calci. So you may get 20 into 10 to the power minus 6. So 10 to the power minus 6 can be written as micro. So the mutual inductance value is calculated as 20 microhenry. Okay. So once you calculated the mutual inductance, so we are going to calculate the equivalent inductance in 4 cases. What is the first case? Series aiding. So the first one, series aiding. So if the two coils are connected in series aiding means, what is the equivalent inductance? The L equivalent equal to L1 plus L2 plus 2M. Okay. So what is L1? L1 is 800 micro. L2 is 200 micro. Then plus 2 into M. What is M? 20 micro. So 2 into 20 micro. Okay. So in all the thing 10 to the power minus 6 common, you take it outside and you just add all the elements. So we can get 1040 microhenry. So the L equivalent value is 1040 microhenry in series aiding. Similarly, the second case, series opposing. So in series opposing, what is the L equivalent? The L equivalent equal to L1 plus L2 minus 2M. So you just substitute 800 micro, 200 micro minus 2 into 20 micro. Okay, so if we're calculating, we may get the answer is 960 microhenry. Okay, then the third one, parallel aiding. So if the two coils are connected in parallel aiding means the L equivalent is equal to L1 L2 minus M squared by L1 plus L2 minus 2M. Okay, this is the formula. You just substitute. So 800 micro into 200 micro minus M squared. Okay, so 20 into 10 to the power minus 6 to the whole square. So the unit is important. Micro you have to substitute. Okay, micro means 10 to the power. Microhenry, it is nothing but 10 to the power minus 6. If it is a milli means 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, so this one divided by L1 plus L2 minus 2 into M. Okay, so you just calculate the thing. So we may get the answer as 166.25 microhenry. So this is for the parallel aiding. Okay, parallel aiding connection. Then for parallel, the fourth case, parallel opposing. So for parallel opposing, what is the L equivalent? L1 L2 minus M squared by L1 plus L2 plus 2M. Okay, so only the numerator remains same. For previous case or for parallel aiding also, the numerator remains same. The denominator here plus 2M, here minus 2M. That is the difference. Okay, so if you are substituting all the value, we may get 153.46 microhenry. Okay, so in this problem, the two coil value given and the coefficient of coupling given. So using the K, L1, L2, first we have to find out M. Then after that, we have to find out the L equivalent in 4 different cases. Okay. So this is a one type of problem. Okay. So this is also one of the ANA University question. And similarly, we are going to see the one more question. This is the December 2017 question. So you see two identical coupled coil. So identical means same coil. L1 equal to L2. Okay, so two identical coupled coils in series have an equivalent inductance. Okay, if the two coils are connected in series, have an equivalent inductance of 0.08 Henry and 0.0354 Henry when connected in series aiding and series opposing. Okay, so here L equivalent value given in series aiding. If the two coils are carried in series aiding means the value is 0.08 Henry. If the two coils are carried in series opposing means the L equivalent is 0.0354 Henry. Find the value of inductance and mutual inductance. Okay, that means we have to find out L value and M value. Okay, we have to find out L1 and L2. Here, two identical coil. That's why L1 equal to L2 and mutual inductance we have to find out. So this is the just like that of opposite to that of the previous question. In previous question, L1, L2, M given. We are calculating the L equivalent. But in this question, L equivalent is given. We have to find out the L1, L2 and M. Okay. So first you note out the given thing. So according to the given question, L1 equal to L2. Okay. Since two identical coils coupled in series. So L1, L2 equal to L. Okay. Then L equivalent in series aiding is given as 0.08 Henry. So what is the L equivalent in series aiding? What is the formula? In series aiding, L equivalent is L1 plus L2 plus 2M. So L1 plus L2 plus 2M equal to 0.0808. Okay. And here L1 is equal to L2. So this L1 plus L2, we may write 2L. So 2L plus 2M equal to 0.08. You just consider it as a equation number 1. Okay. Similarly, then what is another one data given? If the two coils are carried in series opposing means the value L equivalent is given. Okay, so you know the L equivalent in series opposing is 0.0354 Henry. So what is the L equivalent in series opposing? What is the formula? L1 plus L2 minus 2M. So the L1 plus L2 minus 2M is given as 0.0354. So from that, you know L1 equal to L2. So this L1 plus L2 we may write 2L. So 2L minus 2M equal to 0.0354. This is the equation number 2. So you just solve this equation number 1 and equation number 2. We may get L value and M value. Okay. So you just add equation number 1 and 2. So you see what is the equation number 1? 2L plus 2M equal to some answer. The second equation 2L minus 2M equal to some answer. So if you are adding equation number 1 and equation number 2, 2L plus 2L, 4L, 2M minus 2M cancel. So 4L equal to 0.08 plus 0.0354. So from that L is calculated as 0.028 Henry. Okay. So L value calculated. So this L is nothing but L1 and L2. And if you are subtracting this two equation, okay, equation number 1 minus equation number 2, if you are performing means this 2L cancelled. Okay, then 4M equal to 0.08 minus this one. Okay, from that the mutual inductance is equal to 0.011 Henry. Okay, so this is a second type of problem. Okay, so in first problem, L1, L2, M coefficient of coupling given. We calculated for 4 different cases the equivalent inductance we calculated. In the second type of question, if the two coils are connected in series aiding, series opposing mean L equivalent value given. From that we calculated the self inductance value and the mutual inductance value. Okay, so this is the this topic is the magnetic coupling or inductive coupling. That is the two coils that are connected in series and parallel means. So using this formula we may solve. Okay, so more than two coil means we may use the previous question already. That problem we solved in the previous video, multi-winding circuit. This is the only two coils are connected in series and two coils are connected in parallel aiding, parallel opposing means this is the concept. Okay, so thanks for watching my channel. And please subscribe my channel for more videos. If you want to learn all videos related to this circuit analysis subject in my channel, in the name of circuit analysis, one playlist is there. In that playlist, all videos from the starting first unit to Ohm's law to this, all network theorems, all things is available. Okay, so I will give link for the playlist in the description box. You can refer it. Okay, so thank you. We will meet in the next video.